Hey, this is Steve Taylor doing a review for the Anker Bluetooth wireless keyboard. This is basically made for your phone or for a tablet. It can also be used on a computer. Comes in this box and nice and trim. Looks like if you open it as a gift, you'll be getting a box of candy. However, that's not what you're getting. So, and then it comes with a little instructions here. And I do mean little. There's not much to it. There's more than one language here, and a lot of this stuff you don't need to read, so don't get too freaked out. However, it is some of it is too small, like this stuff here. Even with my reading glasses, I can't read that. So I just had to figure it out myself. I have to get a magnifying glass. All right, this is the keyboard. It's 11 inches, as they say. These, because it's not exactly huge, it is more of a compact. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, and it's almost the same length, so they're good compatible size. The keys are full size. They are not miniature keys. I know some of these external keyboards you just use your thumb, almost like a texting on a phone. This is a full size keyboard. It doesn't have the numbers over here like a larger keyboard would, but it is full. You do have F keys here, so you can raise and dim your screen. You can copy, paste, and you can bring up or down the keyboard on your tablet or phone. This one does nothing. This one is for your music. Goes back a song, play or pause, forward. This mutes. This one will lower your audio, this one will raise your audio, and this one deletes. Your backspaces, all these things are the same. Shift, cap locks, your tab, in case you can't see that. You do have your F key hard hit button here. Control, your alt options, your commands, space bar, and then your keys to move your cursor. Enter, shift. They are silent keys. They don't click. They're not completely bone silent, but they're not clicking keys. So if you're typing when people are sleeping, you shouldn't have any problems. It seems to be pretty solid. I'm twisting it, and it's not really going much of anywhere. So it's well made, well constructed. Letters and everything are clean. They do have the little raised keys here for your F and J, and I thought there was another one somewhere. So you can... for finger placement, for those of you who know how to type. It is very thin, probably a quarter of an inch right through here. See, very thin. This is raised up here, which gives it a nice angle. It's not flat and it's not too high. There's 4 rubber feet right here. Your on-off switch, this is your connect button, which is flush with the case so that you don't accidentally hit it. And you pop this open, and that's your 2 AAA batteries, which are supposed to last a half a year. I don't know. Apparently there's a USB thing in here, but I can't get it out, so I'm not real sure. The Bluetooth connector part. Anyway, it connected real easy. It was just took seconds to connect it. I have it connected to my Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. I have not figured some things out yet. I know with one of my email accounts, the spell checker does not come up. It doesn't have a spell checker, and there's no spell checker that comes up when I use this keyboard. When I use the internal keyboard, I have a spell checker or an option to different words. So I have those functions. With this, so far I have not found a spell checker, and I have not found a way to activate the one that I use when the internal keyboard's popped up. So either my spelling is going to have to get better, or I'm going to figure something out. Anyway, this is the Anker Bluetooth wireless keyboard. I am Steve Taylor. If you have any questions, any comments, please place them below. Hopefully this was helpful to you. You have a good day.